The first generation of the Toyota Sienna was introduced by Toyota Motors in 1998 as a minivan. It had a front-wheel drive layout and was powered by a V6 engine. Seating for up to 7 passengers was available. The first generation Sienna placed an emphasis on safety with features such as dual front airbags and anti-lock brakes, and this model will continue in the market till 2025. And now Toyota Motors is about to introduce the next Toyota Sienna in the 2025 model year. If you are wondering whether it will be updated for the 2025 model year or not, the 2024 model year will also be released with minor changes, so we can expect the 2025 model year also to be launched with minor changes. Interior. The interiors of the new Toyota Sienna will be designed with a focus on comfort, versatility, and convenience. Upon entering it, you will immediately feel the spaciousness, which will provide ample space for passengers and cargo. Whether you are heading out on a family road trip or just going about your daily routine, the next Sienna's interior will provide a comfortable haven. There is no definite pricing information yet for the next 2025 Toyota Sienna, but the 2024 model year will be offered in a total of 6 trims: LE, XLE, XSE, 25th Anniversary Edition, Limited, and Platinum, and all those trims will cost from $37,000 to $53,000.